Morning guys, gals, Froggy here. We are at the Corvettes for Veterans, Vets for Veterans in Carlsbad, California. And I'm going to walk around and show you some videos of some nice vets. Let's just take a walk down here. These are C6s. I'm not sure if they have them parked by model year or not, but that's a C7, so I guess not. It's not by color, not by model year. I guess anywhere you want. This is a C7 Z06. Is it a Z06? Z51? Well, I'm not sure. But I like black. Here's a black one. Here's a black Z06. And you might notice that has an automatic transmission. You can get these with a stick or an automatic now. So the C7 Z06 has a smaller engine than my C6 Z06. It's a 6.2 liter engine, and mine is a 7 liter engine. However, it has a supercharger. So it makes more power than mine does. That's a 96 Grand Sport, and I had a 96. It was not a Grand Sport, but it was exactly the same except for the paint scheme. It had the same engine. It had the little flares on the back, you can see, for bigger tires. This is a C7 Z06 with a stick shift. I still like stick shift. This is a Toyota Sequoia with some veteran graphics on it. This is a Spider-Man Corvette. How about that? I like it. This is a 1963 second generation C2. That's the model that I got a ride in one like this, white, when I was about 8 or 10 years old. And I think that's when I got hooked on Corvette. If any of you are old enough to remember the TV series called Route 66, these two young men cruised across the country on Route 66 and got into all kinds of adventures. The cars were these, very similar to this. They had a few different cars because it ran for a few years. Here's a shot, just a panoramic shot. There's several hundred cars here. Maybe I can find somebody who has a count.
Paralyzed Veterans
I'm talking
of
with
America.
this gentleman. He's got a beautiful blue Corvette,
and he's
Stingray,
spinning it.
and he tracks it.
He's spinning
I like cars
it,
that get tracked. This is exactly my car, a 2013 black C6 Z06. So I got to spend a minute or so really looking at this one. Okay, this is exactly like my car, except he has the Z07 option, which was ceramic brakes, some aero stuff, and some extra carbon fiber. Other than that, exactly the same motor. So, let me zoom in a little bit. I don't have one of these. I think they call them Maronis. These details on the car. So I'm going to steal the details from him with his permission. This is the C6ZR1, which has a supercharged motor. Body is very close to mine. Has the carbon ceramic brake, which I don't have on mine, and some other carbon parts for the roof. Here's one that looks like it went into the tire wall or something. This is set up for drag racing. Here's another drag race Corvette. Very nice. There's some more information about the car. Notice the gauges are mounted outside the car, so they're easily visible to the driver. He doesn't have to bring his eyes way down onto the dash. And yet another drag race Corvette. Wow, there are some really awesome cars here today. You don't usually see drag race Corvettes very often. Look at the size of those slicks on the back. That's a pretty red one. It shows how the roof comes off, like a T roof. And there will be a place in the trunk to store those panels, so you can bring them with you in case you get caught out in the rain or just get tired of having the sun on your head. I'm not a huge fan of orange, but I like this one. This is nice. This is a 2011 ZR1. All the original window sticker and the codes, and looks nice on a display stand. Gives you every detail of the car when it came off the original build line.
Did you? They're a lot of fun.
Had it for 13 years.
So we're talking about ceramic finishes and clear bars and stuff like that. So the name of the guy again was?
It's Premier Body Armor.
Premier
Company.
Body Armor.
Nick Bleak is his name.
Okay. Yeah, I want to do something on mine. I've already. Here's a nice older Corvette. Looks like a 1961, I'm guessing. Look at the motor, though. Yeah, I was right. It's a 61. Check out that motor. Okay, well, I'm going to wrap it up, and I hope you enjoy this video, and be safe. Have fun. Froggy out.